Hi Pravesh.
Hi, Krishi.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, but आपका कैमरा थोड़ा सा shake हो रहा है because I guess because of the movements.
Okay, now is it fine?
Yeah, that's perfect.
So I'm
So
sitting in the
Pravesh,
car. I
tell
thought it's something new.
okay. So Pravesh, earlier before when still you were joining, we have one of the biggest
Yeah.
fans, Tara, went live, and she really requested us to just tell you that she's really a very very big fan of yours, and she has some questions also for you, which she would shortly be dropping in the comment box.
Okay. Thank you, Tara. Thank you for the love, and I love you all too. And it just makes me feel so good. Like I can't see it in words. So thanks a lot, and I hope everyone is safe in this entire thing. I hope you are safe, Krishi.
Yes, yes. I'm totally safe. I'm at home. I'm just enjoying my lockdown, honestly.
So do you go down? Like, do you go down to get some stuff?
Yeah, I go down to get the groceries and the required stuff. I like in our building now it's allowed that we can walk for some time, like particularly in the evening. So at times, yeah,
Okay.
I go like in a week or so just to have some rounds just so that I can get refreshed.
Nice.
So you
Like
tell
there's so
us
much
how.
happening. Yeah.
So yeah, I'm saying you tell us how was your lockdown?
It's still on, so we'll be resuming with shoots pretty soon. So that is going to
Yeah.
happen in some time. So like everything has started. We started rehearsing. We started doing the technical rehearsals and all of that. So till now it was pretty good. Quite a few phases of this lockdown, like lockdown phase one. We were doing some videos for colors. We were shooting our stuff. We were trying to. I was trying to cook new things, trying to learn new things. In life, for the first time, we got a holiday for 21 days. And luckily for us, it was like a holiday and not like a nightmare, which was like it was a nightmare for many people. And
Yeah.
I hope that it ends soon for everyone. Any which way, so like everyone try to on Instagram, there was everyone like just make the most out of it, be productive, be do this, do like learn something, learn a new thing. So I tried cooking that time in
Okay.
lockdown one and a bit of lockdown two. Then slowly, gradually, we got bored of cooking. Again, my mother only started cooking. घर का मम्मी का खाना we started eating. Like before that, he's like, let's try to bake, let's try to make garlic bread maybe or cake.
Oh,
उसके
that's
बाद फिर
amazing.
वापस जो मम्मी बनाए वही खा लो. So lockdown
See.
3 and 4 was like that. And then
Okay.
news also like Irfan Khan sir, we lost Irfan Khan sir, then Rishi Kapoor sir, then Bajid Bhai, and then a few days back Sushant Singh Rajput. So those were a few lows of this lockdown. So it's been a journey. Like the lockdown in itself has been a journey.
Yeah, we can truly say that. So, Pravesh, are you in a moving car by any
No, I'm not
chance?
in a moving. No. So see,
Is
there's
it
people over here are moving. I'm not moving.
so? Is it possible for you to just get your windows down because actually we can hear you, but because of some issues, I don't know, we cannot see you very clear. So your
Okay, I'll
fans
do
have
that.
requested if you could just see once your network.
I'll do that. I'll just get down. I'll get down with my mask for a bit, and then I can remove it once I'm alone, like somewhere ahead.
Yeah.
So I think like this is going to be a very different life for you also. Like
Yes. It's the first time we have
entire
someone
lockdown.
who's actually out of the not only out of its place but out of the car and on the road we are having this live session.
Yeah. So this is the. I don't know. Like, have you ever done a live session with anyone on the road?
No, not really, but this is our first one.
Nice. This is my first one too. So let's let's enjoy this. So like it's a good view here
Yeah.
amidst greenery. I can remove my mask because here I'm alone. No one to disturb or
This time,
trouble me.
yeah. You really have a
Is
beautiful
it good
scene
now?
behind.
Yeah, it's pretty beautiful. It is.
Yeah. Yes. So tell us, Pravish, what did you learn? As in cooking, you said you learned garlic bread or something, but other than that, what did you cook?
So I cook garlic bread. Like I used to cook pasta, but now I learned cooking pasta
Proper.
better. So like now my pasta is not very soggy. I know when to stop boiling it. So all of that, those small things I've learned.
Okay. Okay. So you have played the character of younger Ram in CRK Ram, and also you have, played Yudhishthir in Suryaputra Karna. So do you
Yeah.
have some passion for mythological shows?
So when I started acting, the production house which I used to act with was Swastik Production House. Like that's where I
Yeah.
auditioned first, and that's where I got my like first few opportunities of acting. So they used to make mythological shows only. They made Mahabharat.
Yeah.
They made Suryaputra Karn. They made like quite a few. But the ones I acted in was I started off with Mahabharat. Then
Yeah.
Siya Ke Ram was not by Swastik, but then it's like they people within production house know each other. So then
Yeah.
I came back to Swastik for Suryaputra Karn. So mythological shows have been from where I began acting, and that was like costume drama. So it felt like acting. And after that, when I did a few daily soaps, I was like, this is not acting. This is pretty easy. This is pretty cool. Like no costume to wear, no jewelry to wear. You just wear something which you would otherwise also wear and go and act. So
Yeah.
it's different. It's fun, and both have their own pros and cons. Some advantages
That
and some disadvantages of each.
we agree with you. Yes. So, a lot of your fans said, right, that you have even played the character of Uttar in Mahabharat.
Yes.
Uttar. Yeah. So, Mahabharat is rerunning right now. So, how do you feel about it?
I look at myself and I see how bad I was that time. I didn't know how to act so much. I don't know how to act so well. So I'm seeing, and it's been a good journey. Like Mahabharat acting with Shahir Bhai, with Paras Bhai, and Rohit Bhaiya, who was playing Yudhishthir in Mahabharat. I was playing Yudhishthir in Suryaputra Kand.
Yeah.
So it was a really nice experience. And then I cherish the memories of shooting with Shahir Bhai and Saurabh Bhaiya. Shahir Bhai was playing Arjun and Saurabh Bhaiya was playing Krishna. So like I
Krishna.
had maximum scenes with them, and they're amazing humans. So like those memories came back.
Yeah. So, there's a small message from all your fans saying that please don't think that you've acted bad in Mahabharat. It was really amazing.
Thank you, thank you. So in Mahabharata, I also die. So there's a scene where I'm on the head,
Yeah.
like I've been taken to the fire, I've been burnt and all of that. So that also a very different scene. Like right now, when my mother was seeing it, she's like, she felt bad and all that. So,
Yeah.
although she knows it's acting, she knows I'm alive, I'm sitting in front of her, but still. So
Yeah. So, did she cry that moment?
she didn't cry, but she just felt weird and she's like, "Kya is isko hatao? This is not." So I just told her I'm there.
Oh, yeah. Can you hear me, yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can, Krishi. Yes. Can you hear me too?
Yeah. Actually, we can hear you. I don't know because we just had some issue with your audio. Uh, I mean the video thing.
Maybe because I'm on the road, maybe that's why. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
But it's a good
Yeah.
scenery, so I'm enjoying this. I don't know if it's good for you all. I'm pretty much enjoying
Yeah.
this. It's
So this is honestly
greenery
like
all
the
around.
first. Yeah. Please take us all around. We'll have a virtual tour.
And it's
So
nice. It's
yes,
not very sunny. It's not very cloudy. It's
it's mild. So you're enjoying the atmosphere there.
very much.
Yeah. So how about a rapid fire round?
Okay.
Okay. So your favorite color?
My favorite color is white
We could not
and
get
blue.
you. Okay.
White and blue.
Okay. Your favorite co-star?
I haven't got the opportunity to act with Amitabh Bachchan, so I'm waiting for that. He'll be
Okay.
my favorite person.
But amongst the one that you shoot with till now, who do you think is your favorite person? Like you would even like to project with them in future?
Almost with everyone.
Okay. Okay. So, which is your ideal holiday destination?
I like Switzerland. I went to Switzerland a few months back and I loved the place. So I plan to go
Okay.
there again. I loved everything about that place. And like you know, I
Okay.
like greenery, so Switzerland is good for me.
Oh, that's really nice. So, your favorite social media application?
Favorite social media application? I'm not on many. I'm not on Twitter. So Instagram.
Okay. Okay. So, which is your favorite cuisine?
My favorite cuisine is North Indian and Italian.
Okay.
A mix of both. And Mexican also. Like I like nachos, so a bit of Mexican.
Okay.
South Indian also. Yeah, like in you can't go without nice idli, chutney, dosa also, and of Chinese also because I like the Indian version
Okay.
of Chinese. That's also good. And basically everything.
Okay.
I like food. Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't choose between cuisines.
Yeah. So do you like vada pav and samosa pav, especially like the typical Bombay vada pav and all? We cannot hear you. We cannot hear you, Pravish. Pravish, can you hear me?
Samosa.
Uh, Hi everyone. Am I audible to all of y'all? If our people can say whether I'm audible to them. So due to some issues, Pravish left. We'll shortly be adding him back, guys. Don't worry. We'll just be re-adding Pravish, guys. Stay
Guys.
tuned. Hi, sorry.
Hi,
Say,
sorry. No, no, say.
can you hear me?
Can you hear me? Yes, I can. You can fire your questions again.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Just a second. I don't know.
I don't know.
Give me 1 second.
Give me 1 second. Sure. Okay, so till Krisha comes back, how is everyone who's watching the live? How are you all? I hope everyone's fine. I hope everyone's safe. And I hope everyone's eager to watch Barrister Babu because we'll be back on air pretty soon.
Okay. Is this
Okay.
better?
Is this better? Yeah, totally. It was better
Okay.
before this also. Okay.
Okay. No, because actually I
No,
was
because actually I
test one.
will. Okay.
So I just
So I
tried
just
connecting to
tried
you.
connecting to you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you were telling
Yeah. So you were
about
telling about
favorite cuisine.
favorite cuisine. I love food. Like you started off. I started off by saying Italian, then North Indian, then I thought, hey, South Indian, I can't miss. And then I was like, oh, why? Like I like nachos, so Mexican also. So like I like food.
Okay. So do you
Okay.
like Bombay
So do you like
style
Bombay
vada
style
and
vada
vada pav?
and vada pav? Yeah, that was the question. So I like samosa pav everywhere. I can eat samosa from any part of India, from any
Oh,
shop, anywhere. Vada pav, I can't like. I'm a bit choosy with vada pav, so I like the vada pav from my school and from Mithai College
okay.
and the Kirti College ka vada pav. That's it. A bit selective with vada pav. Samosa I can eat anywhere from anywhere.
Okay. Can you answer a single now?
Sorry.
I don't know. Actually, the fan, don't know, the fan said that they were to listen my voice, but when
Okay. I feel now like I won't move now. I'll just be here. I'll be still.
okay. So I was able to see me.
Yeah. Can everyone hear me too? If there's any problem, I'll just do something with the network.
Yeah, and okay. So the next thing you have to a babu.
What from Mahabharat? I couldn't hear you. Sorry, Kirti.
So I said played an amazing role in Barista Babu.
Yeah. So
Can
about
you
my
hear
role,
me?
Anirudh, it's just lagging, but I got your question. So about Barrister Babu, like I'm playing Anirudh Roy Chaudhary,
Yeah.
and it's it's one of my favorite characters which I've played till now. It's one of the favorite characters which I've seen on screen till now. It's got all shades. Anirudh Roy Chaudhary has got all shades. As an actor, I get to play so many emotions through that one character. Like I'm showing love, respect, irritation, anger, and just Anirudh is just not predictable. You cannot predict what Anirudh does, and that's the best part I love about the character. Like
Yeah.
the character is very unpredictable. No one in the show knows what next will he do.
Okay. Pravish, if you can tell us the Bundata of the serial.
Okay, so about Bondita, she's a very cute girl, and don't go by her age. She like her age can fool you, the number can fool you. She's very smart and she's pretty mature. It's amazing to work with her, and because she's small, she's very cute also. So like a cute girl who's smart and very mature.
Okay. So as right now the gym safe at home.
I couldn't hear you. Sorry.
Okay. Because of the gyms are closed. So how do you manage to stay fit at home?
So about staying fit, otherwise also didn't go much to the gym. I used to do my cycling and a bit of
Oh,
exercise at home. That's all. So gym shutting down has not affected me as such. I couldn't go for cycling for the like till lockdown 3, but since lockdown 4, I've started going like cycling a bit outside in my building or a bit in the area. So not much of that. I love cycling, so that's what I'm doing.
okay. So any series that
Series, I've watched so many series during this entire lockdown. I saw on Voot, I saw Asur. On Hotstar, I saw Special Ops. On Netflix, I saw Money Heist. So you must have understood what kind of web series I like. It's
yeah.
the thriller, the crime thriller kind of thing. So I've watched pretty of those. And I also had to study. So I was trying to study. I didn't study much, but I was trying. I was getting over
Okay.
the inertia of trying to like wanting to study.
Okay. When can we expect the Barrister Babu on air?
Pretty soon. So we'll be shooting, I feel, a week or two, or maybe in a few days only. In a couple of days, we'll start shooting. And once we're ready with a few episodes, we'll go on air and be back and hope we get the love also which we got before this.
Yeah. I would surely be to be billionaire.
Yeah, very.
Okay. So, playing youth in the lockdown.
Sorry.
You have learned to play food
Yeah.
in the lockdown again.
Yes.
So, how did you enjoy it?
Okay. So about enjoying, I've burnt cakes. I've burnt garlic breads. I've made soggy pastas in the beginning.
Yeah.
I've made. I've done so many goof ups while cooking in the beginning, and then eventually I like got better with it.
Okay.
So the last pasta I made was very nice. The last garlic bread I made was the best of all, and I hope the ones I make next are better.
Okay. So, why don't you for cooking?
Why don't I?
Have a cooking show.
Cooking show? No, it'll be a blunder. I'll be teaching people how to spoil the thing, and like my mother, luckily she not hit me till now. She's only scolded me, but लोगों को मार पड़ने लगेगी if I teach them how to cook.
अरे ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. Okay. Also commercials as well. और television में
Your
Okay.
voice is just breaking. I feel.
Okay, wait. Let's bring that. Okay.
Yes, nice. Quite clear.
Okay. So you so do you
In the during the
experience
lockdown.
you're there?
Yes, I am, Krishi.
Okay. Yeah, so the experience is different the television.
I can hear everything but the question. I hear everything what you say, but just not the question. I don't know why this is happening.
Okay. Can you hear me now?
I can hear whenever you say, "Can you hear me now?" I can hear you very clearly. And the moment you start asking the question, I don't know what happens.
Okay. So the question was the commercial.
Yes, I have.
Yeah. So do you experience for a commercial?
So the difference is like when we're shooting for a commercial, we have maybe a day or two to shoot that commercial, and the amount of footage which we need to give is maybe 30 seconds, a minute, or maybe two. That's all. Now, when we're shooting for a television show, the amount of footage we are supposed to give has no limits. You give 50 minutes, you give 20 minutes, you give 6 minutes, you give 4 minutes. So they always like a production house aims that they can shoot maximum in a day, because in the end it boils down to earning money and saving money. So it's different. Like, and for me personally as an actor, I don't feel there's much difference. I don't know like
Okay.
yeah, the difference is I do things repetitively for a commercial. Like when I did an ad for a chocolate, I did a Dairy Milk ad. So so I was just eating the chocolate so many times. Like I had to hold it once like this, maybe like this, and just keep changing the way I held the chocolate. All of that not in a TV show. Like holding a chocolate won't affect much. It'll be like just maybe one or two takes if it just does not go with the character. That's all.
Okay. So if you could give
If I can give
a message for your fans.
a message for all those who Krishi says are my fans. A big thank you to every one of you all. And see, I love you all more than you all know and more than I show. That's a problem with me. I tend to get tongue tied when I'm told to say what's in my heart. So I am working on it, and pretty soon I will come up with some better way of showing how much I love you all and how much I am grateful for all the love which you all give me. And thank you to give so much love to Barrister Babu as a show and give it so nice ratings before this lockdown. And I hope you all give it the same ratings, the same love, and the same blessings once we begin again.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Krishi. I'm sorry for the network glitches.
No
It was
issue.
a pleasure.
No issue.
Thank you. Bye bye. Bye everyone. Thank you everyone. I love everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone. Love you.
Bye, Kavish. Take care.
Bye, Kavish.